Sit comfortably in relaxed position, back straight, and lengthen your spine into very relaxed pose. Both hands in a chin mudra. Relax your shoulder and relax your whole body. And very gently close your eyes. One by one, relax your whole body. Soften your forehead. Relax the space between the eyebrow. Relax your jaw and let your face be completely at ease. Now slowly begin to your awareness into this space. Become aware of the yoga hall around you. Open your senses. Notice the sound of nature around you. Feel the natural air, the gentle touch of the wind on your skin. Take a moment to simply observe and relax. Allow your body to soften. Let your nervous system begin to calm down. Now slowly bring your awareness closer to yourself. Become aware of the space around your mat and gently bring your attention into your body. Notice the sensation of your clothes touching your skin. Now bring your awareness to your breath. Feel the air at your nostril. Observe the natural breath as you inhale and you exhale. No need to control the breath, just observe. Just observe as it is. Keep your full attention on your breathing. Now begin a gentle body scan from the crown of your head, slowly moving down towards your feet, and then from your feet back up to the top of your head. Observe each part of your body. If you notice any tension, breathe into this space and gently allow to relax that place and free them from the tension. Do not force anything. If some area remain tight, simply accept and move on. Don't disappoint. Stay kind and patient with yourself. Slowly allow your whole body to feel grounded and calm. Relaxing any tension and heaviness if you feel inside you. Let go of unnecessary thoughts and let the mind free from all the thoughts and bring your body, mind and breath into one place. Stay with your breath, aware of each inhalation and each exhalation. Go more deeper and deeper with your each inhalation and each exhale. Try to relax completely all your body. Now gently prepare yourself mentally and physically for yoga, for practice, for pranayama, whatever activities you are going to do. Just prepare yourself. And with this sense of ease, softly surrender yourself to the flow of nature, like a flow of river. Remain here for a quiet moment in a stillness and awareness with your breath. And observe and observe. Stay.